Casement window installation is a crucial service for homeowners in Slidell looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Our window experts in Slidell specialize in providing top-notch casement window replacement services, ensuring that your home benefits from the latest in energy-efficient casement windows Slidell has to offer. With a focus on quality and durability, our window contractors in Slidell are dedicated to delivering exceptional results with casement windows Slidell. For those seeking window frame replacement in Slidell, our window professionals offer comprehensive solutions tailored to your needs. Whether you're interested in vinyl casement windows Slidell or custom casement windows Slidell, our window company provides a wide range of options to suit any style or budget. Our window installers in Slidell are skilled in handling all types of window installation services, ensuring a seamless and efficient process for casement windows Slidell. Energy-efficient windows are a priority for many homeowners, and our window services in Slidell include the installation of double-glazed windows to improve insulation and reduce energy costs. Our window specialists in Slidell are well-versed in the latest window insulation services, helping you achieve optimal comfort and savings. With our window noise reduction and window weatherproofing solutions, Casement windows Slidell can provide a quieter and more comfortable living environment. Window seal installation and window leak installation are essential for maintaining the integrity of your windows. Our window technicians in Slidell are equipped to handle all types of window installation Slidell needs, ensuring that your windows remain in top condition. From window sash replacement to window hardware installation, our window maintenance services in Slidell fully support casement windows Slidell and all aspects of window care. For those looking to upgrade their windows, our window glass upgrade and window tinting options provide excellent choices for enhancing both the appearance and functionality of your windows. Our window design options and window style consultation services in Slidell help you select the perfect windows to complement your home's architecture, including casement windows Slidell homeowners prefer. With our window measurement services, you can be confident that your new casement windows Slidell will fit perfectly. Window security features are an important consideration for any homeowner, and our window providers in Slidell offer a range of options to enhance the safety of your home. From storm window installation to window screen replacement, our window solutions in Slidell are designed to meet all your needs, including secure casement windows Slidell options. Our window warranty services provide peace of mind, ensuring that your investment is protected. Vinyl window replacement is a popular choice for those seeking durability and low maintenance. Our window dealers in Slidell offer a variety of vinyl window options, including energy-efficient casement windows Slidell residents love. With our window cleaning services, you can keep your windows looking their best year-round, especially casement windows Slidell. Our window shops in Slidell provide everything you need for a successful window upgrade. For top-notch casement window installation in Slidell, trust our window experts Slidell to deliver exceptional results with casement windows Slidell. Our window professionals Slidell specialize in energy-efficient casement windows Slidell, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. With our custom casement windows Slidell, you can choose from a variety of window design options to perfectly match your style. Upgrade your home with double-glazed casement windows Slidell for superior insulation and noise reduction. Our window contractors Slidell provide comprehensive window installation services Slidell, including window frame replacement and window sash replacement for casement windows Slidell. Enhance your home's security with our window security features and window weatherproofing solutions. Our window installation Slidell services include window seal installation and window leak installation to maintain the integrity of your windows. For those looking to improve their home's energy efficiency, our vinyl casement windows Slidell and energy-efficient windows are the perfect choice, especially casement windows Slidell. Our window maintenance services Slidell ensure your windows remain in top condition. Explore our window consultation Slidell services to discover the best window solutions Slidell for your home, including casement windows Slidell. Our window specialists Slidell offer window measurement services and window style consultation to help you make informed decisions. With our window warranty services, you can have peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. For a seamless window upgrade, Slidell, our window installers Slidell and window fitters Slidell are ready to assist with casement windows Slidell installations. We offer window glass upgrade and window tinting options to enhance your home's aesthetics and functionality. Our window cleaning services and window screen replacement ensure your casement windows Slidell look pristine. Choose our window company Slidell for all your window needs, from window hardware installation to window trim replacement, including casement windows Slidell solutions. Our window providers Slidell and window suppliers Slidell offer a wide range of products to suit any requirement. Visit our window shops Slidell to explore our extensive selection of casement windows Slidell and other window solutions. Our window noise reduction and window insulation services are designed to create a peaceful and energy-efficient environment in your home using casement windows Slidell. Trust our window technicians Slidell for expert window maintenance Slidell and window services Slidell. With our storm window installation, you can protect your home from harsh weather conditions while benefiting from casement windows Slidell. For reliable window dealers Slidell, look no further than our team of window professionals Slidell specializing in casement windows Slidell. We provide custom window solutions and window hardware installation to meet your specific needs. Our window experts Slidell are dedicated to delivering high-quality service and exceptional results for every casement windows Slidell project.